Hello parents, I'm Mr. Smith from ReadAloudGuide.com. You may have noticed that my background has changed, and that's because I'm at Next Chapter Books, right here in Trumbull, Connecticut. Today, the wonderful staff will be assisting me in demonstrating how to read aloud expressively with your child by making use of voice characterizations. Today's book is The Halloweener by Dave Pilkey, a recent recommendation on our Great Books for K-2 playlist. It's a fantastic read aloud considering the season, but it's such a fun read that parents should feel free to enjoy this book anytime. Oscar is a Dachshund who is navigating through a rough patch of friendship on Halloween night when his friends are being anything but kind to him. We see here how they are rushing ahead and hounding the treats before Oscar even has a chance. It's not very kind and a good stopping point to stop at and discuss the friends' behavior. A bit later, Oscar's friends were spooked while passing a graveyard and fell into deep trouble after being chased into a pond by this frightening monster. We'll pick up the story here. The monster moved closer.
Please don't eat us!
Cried the dogs. The monster yowled and hissed. Sobbed the dogs. The monster jumped up and down.
Somebody save us!
Shrieked the dogs. So will somebody come save them? Will it be Oscar? Well, you're just gonna have to read this book to your child to find out. And maybe, just maybe, you can hire this fabulous group of talented voice actors to bring your story to life.
Happy Halloween!
Oh my gosh, we got it. Fantastic, everyone.
Yeah.
Well done.
Get that?
I
We did it.